So I got my Sky Fireworks. I got this
Sky Fire.
So I got this one, which is a star one, and I got this two of
Go on then, let's set them off and see what they look like. Whoa. So what next one you want to choose then? Is it easy to light? Can you see the... Don't pick a shot tube. What's it? What is it? What's it called? Digitized. Whoa, that's going to be the next one. The next firework is going to be digitized from the Sky Firebox. It's our Squid Game fireworks. You want to also like this one? Are you 18? Alright, she's 18. Right, take that one out, put this one in. Yeah, hold it. Alright, then let me jam it in. Where's the... It's there at the top. Yeah, so this one's the easy one to light, it's at the top. Not yet, don't light it yet. Alright, let me jam it in. Yeah. There we go. See? Funny. That's how look what digitized looks like. Nika's 18. Whoa! It better not be a shot tube. Whoa! That is bright. I can feel the heat. Whoa! That was digitized.
Oh, that was wild.
Want to do another one? No, alright then. We'll do the rest tomorrow on Bonfire. So we did how many? 3. Most of these fireworks are fountains. So we've done 3 now. We'll do them all tomorrow. That was our Sky Fire Squid Game fireworks. Remember to subscribe for more fireworks. Pumpkin fireworks. Yeah, did you watch it? Why did you run so far away? That was the FUJI firework from Squid Games production. Was that awesome?
Yay!
I'm on my day off. This is what Squid Game do on their day off. Still keep the mask on though.
That was a FUJI firework.
Yes, it's a fountain, most of fountains.